Someone come and throw my heart, I think it's frozen. Deep boy fresh, we know how I talk out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come and throw my heart, I think it's frozen.
I'm not stopping until I get to race Bumblebee, man. I want to race Bumblebee. He doesn't want me to race Bumblebee. I want to race you, sir. Hold up. Hold on. Hey, I want to do a run. I don't get it, boss. Why can't we do a run together? I want to run. Let's go. He's getting ready. Bumblebee just beat us. We got no gas. It was pulling mad power just now. Come on, Bumblebee, let's do a race. An actual race. Okay, he looks down now. Finally! I've been trying to race this man the whole time. Finally, Bumblebee. I want to do a roll up. Finally, Bumblebee. Let's do a 60. Let's do a 60 roll, Bumblebee. Let's do a 60 roll, Bumblebee. Let's do a 60 roll. Bumblebee. I like it. That thing is nice. That Camaro is nice though, I ain't gonna lie. We can do another one, but I'm running out of gas. Let's go, Bumblebee. One more, Bumblebee. One more row. You wanna do another row? You wanna do a 60 row? The 60 roll? Oh, you wanted it from the dig. You wanted it from the dig. He didn't say nothing. Let's do a roll. Runs with Bumblebee, yeah? Is that a video? I need gas though. I was on this road by myself just trying to get the car to shoot some flames for you guys. That's why the camera is on the exhaust. And I saw Bumblebee flying past. Which I don't think we got the flames. To be honest with you guys, I don't think it shot any flame. I don't know how to do it. Honestly, I don't. Yeah, I know if it's spinning, it will show flames, but the other day I was just driving and it shot flames. And the other day I was doing that too, and somebody said they saw mad flames. So it's like, I'm not sure how to make this car shoot flames, man. But I'm about to go park it, let it cool off. Yeah. that's our video for today, I guess. That's our video, man. That's our video. That's our video. It's done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bumblebee beat me on the dig. I think I could take that Camaro off the dig. I ain't gonna lie. From a dig, I mean, he's gonna get the launch, but I think I can pull back faster. It wasn't set up properly. Obviously, he took off first, and then I just floored it, which made it get way too much wheel spin. That's not how I should have launched it. And then I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to go for him or I wanted to stop. And then when I made up my mind, he was way too far. But as you can see on the road, this shit will demolish it every single time, even though it's pulling power because the fuel is too low. It will demolish it every single time. It's not a fair race, really. A Camaro SS, not a fair race for a Hellcat, much less mine. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.